Okay, good evening students. So now we'll do the solution of miscellaneous. Now see, I'm discussing the solution part. Now, the first question is, prove that the determinant, this is independent of theta. So we have just simply expanded plus minus plus x times of deleting first row first column, minus times of first row second column, and then plus times of first row third column. After deleting this, we are getting this is simply minus x cube. So which is independent of theta, you can easily see. And in the second part what we did, r1 को a से, r2 को b से, r3 को c से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. वी आर टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. आफ्टर डूइंग दिस हमने क्या किया, टेकिंग कॉमन abc फ्रॉम c3, टेकिंग कॉमन abc फ्रॉम c3 कैंसिल हो गया. देन c1 और c2 को इंटरचेंज किया तो माइनस साइन आ गया प्रॉपर्टी से. फिर C2 और C3 को इंटरचेंज किया, दोबारा माइनस आ गया. सो विच इज ओवर राइट हैंड साइड. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. देखिए इस प्रॉब्लम में हम क्या करेंगे, आप जरा C3 देखिए. हम वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सपेंड थ्रू C3, एक्सपेंडिंग अलोंग C3 माइनस साइन अल्फा, क्योंकि इसमें एक जीरो है तो वी विल बी हैविंग माइनस साइन बीटा कॉस बीटा साइन अल्फा कॉस बीटा साइन अल्फा साइन बीटा. Minus 0 times of 0 will be 0 plus cos alpha times of, see what is going to happen, cos alpha cos beta cos alpha sin beta minus sin beta cos beta. Now let us expand it. Minus sin alpha outside, it will be sin alpha minus sin square beta minus sin alpha cos square beta plus cos alpha times of cos alpha cos square beta plus cos alpha times of sin square beta. Now let us simplify it. If I brought minus sign inside, it will be entirely sin square alpha sin square beta plus sin square alpha cos square beta. Then next we have cos square alpha cos square beta plus cos square alpha sin square beta. Now see that this is nothing but sin square alpha, because I can take sin square alpha common. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास ये आ गया sin square alpha प्लस cos square alpha, यहाँ से कॉमन आने पर cos square beta प्लस sin square beta which is 1 is again sin square alpha plus cos square alpha which is equal to 1. So the 1 is the final answer of this determinant. देखिए फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे, डेल्टा हमें जीरो दे रखा है, डेल्टा हमें जीरो दे रखा है. तो यहाँ हमने ऑपरेशन लगा दिया C1 पे, C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3. तो वी विल बी हैविंग ट्वाइस A प्लस B प्लस C, ट्वाइस A प्लस B प्लस C and twice A plus B plus C, then C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is 0. अब इस स्टेप के बाद क्रूशियल है, this will imply we have taken twice ABC as common. We will be having 1 1 1 C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 0. Now making two zeros, R2 पे R2 minus R1 और R3 पे R3 minus R1. So twice A plus B plus C, 1 C plus A plus B, 0, B minus C, and then C minus A, 0, then B minus A, then C minus B. Now expanding along C1, see what is going to happen. Twice A plus B plus C, and we will be having B minus C, B minus A, C minus A, minus of B minus C, I am writing deliberately, which is equal to further twice, and please in every case right hand side is 0. It is minus B minus C whole square minus C minus A into B minus A, which is equal to 0. Now open it, minus B square minus C square plus 2BC minus BC plus AC plus AB minus A square equal to 0. So we will be having 2 times of A plus B plus C minus A square minus B square minus C square plus BC plus AC plus AB is equal to 0. Now what I will do, multiply and divide by 2 and taking minus sign common. So that is minus 1 by 2, 2 times of, it will be 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square minus, sorry, it is minus 2BC minus 2AC minus 2AB equal to 0. Now this internal bracket become, it is minus A plus B plus C, it is A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square is equal to 0. Now either A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Now sum of three positive numbers, each is positive, it will be 0 if and only if indivisible is 0, that is A minus B is 0 or B minus C is 0 or C minus A is 0, that is either A equal to B or B equal to C or C equal to, that is A equal to B equal to C. So that's what we want to prove in this question. So this proves the question. Now we have the next set of problem. Now see what is the problem. Now in this particular problem we have to solve the equation. Now solution 5, if you see solution 5, C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. It is 3x plus A, 3x plus A, 3x plus A, x, x plus A, x, x, x plus A, 0. We can take 3x plus A common, then 1 1 1 x, x plus A, x, x, x plus A, which is equal to 0. Now making two zeros, on R2, R2 minus R1, and on R3, R3 minus R1. Now see, it is 3x plus A 1 x x 0, and it will be a 0 0 0 a equal to 0. If we expand it, then it is a square times of 3x plus a is 0, but a is not equal to 0, so the only possibility is 3x plus a is 0, that is x is minus a by 3. That is the solution. Now the second part, taking common a b c from c1 c2 c3. So a b c we will be having a plus b, then b, then c, then b plus c, then a plus c, then a, then c. This is there. Now what I'm going to supposed to apply here operation on c3. If I apply c3 minus c1 plus c2, because it is sum of these two, a plus b, b, c, b plus c, 0. Now here what I'm going to get, it will be nothing but minus 2b, and again you will see that what I'm going to obtain here, c will get cancelled, that then again minus 2b. Now what can I do? I can take common 2b. Minus 2b I have taken common. ABC, a plus b, b, c, b plus c, 0 1 1. Now making another 0, I'm applying operation on r2 minus r3. So I will be having minus 2b outside, ABC, AC0, a plus b, b, oh sorry, we have applied operation on r2, so it will not be ignored. It will be a, it will be minus c, it will be 0, b plus c, 1. Now expanding along it. So what we are going to obtain, that is minus 2b ABC, and if you minus AC minus AC, so which is equal to 4ABC into ABC, that is equal to 4a square b square c square, which is your RHS. Now see, the seventh question is a bit lengthy question, but we'll discuss it and try to understand the question, that how we are going to simplify it. See, we know that you will use the fact here, ए बी का इनवर्स जो होता है बेटा वो बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स, तो ए इनवर्स तो दे रखा, हम बी इनवर्स निकालेंगे यहाँ पर। तो सबसे पहले डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ बी अगर हम निकालते हैं, दैट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 1, और मैं कोफैक्टर्स यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ सारे। C11 will be turning out to be 3, C12 is 1, C13 is 2, C21 is again 2, C22 is 1, C23 is 2, C31 is 6, C32 is 2, C33 is 5. Now my adjoint matrix will be B will be equal to 3 1 2 2 1 2 6 2 3. Now what is B inverse? That is equal to adjoint of B upon determinant of B. अब determinant of that matrix is nothing but 1. So this is nothing but 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Now the next is, we know that AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Now B inverse we already found, and A inverse is already given in the question. 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and A inverse is already given in the question, that is 3 minus 1, 1, minus 15, 6 minus 5, and 5 minus 2 and 2. Now please calculate this product yourself. You will get the final answer in this form, that is nothing but 9 minus 3, 5. Please verify it. It is like this. Please verify it. It is the task for you. So I hope you like this video.